Example 1.4. Suppose a charge plus q on Earth's surface and another charge plus q is placed on the surface of the moon. Calculate the value of q required to balance the gravitational attraction between Earth and the moon. Suppose the distance between the moon and the Earth is halved. What would the charge will change? Take mass of Earth is equal to 5.9 into 10 raised to 24 kg. Mass of moon is equal to 7.9 into 10 raised to 22 kg. Now what is given in the problem is one charge is placed on the Earth's surface, another charge is placed on the surface of the moon. Now we have to calculate the value of the charge required to balance the gravitational force between the Earth and the moon. Okay. Now we are going to take the gravitational force and the electrostatic force. Okay. So what is the gravitational force here? Both the gravitational force and the electrostatic force are balancing each other. So we can write the electrostatic force is equal to the gravitational force. Now what is the electrostatic formula? Force formula, that is according to Coulomb's law. It is K Q square by R square, because both the charges are what? Same. Here it is gravitational force is mass of Earth into what? Mass of moon divided by R square. Now here R square and R square will get cancelled. So what is Q square? Q square is equal to GME by K. Now we'll substitute here. What is the value for G? G value is gravitational constant, that is 6.626 into 10 raised to minus 11. Mass of Earth is given in the problem as what? 5.9 into 10 raised to 24. And mass of moon is given as what? 7.9 into 10 raised to 22 divided by what is the value of K? 9 into 10 raised to 9. If you multiply all these values, what will you get here? Multiply and divide. What will you get here is 34.3153 into 10 raised to 26. This is the value you will get it for Q square. So what is Q? Q is equal to root of 34.3153 into 10 raised to 26. What is that value is? 5.64 into 10 raised to 13. This is the value you are getting for the charge. Now the second part. Suppose the distance between the moon and the Earth is halved. Okay. So what we are going to write is R is equal to R by 2. Okay. What would the charge Q change? The question is whether the charge Q will change. Now I am going to substitute in this equation, that is K Q square by R square. For R square I am going to substitute as what? R by 2 the whole square. This is equal to G M E into M by R by 2 the whole square. So this and this will again get cancelled. Q square is equal to G M E into M by K. This is as of what? Previous equation. So here the Q value will not what? Change. Okay. So Q value, because it is like the previous equation itself. Okay. So we have calculated the value for the Q in the above equations. Okay. So what you can get it, your Q value will be what? 5.64 into 10 raised to 13 Coulomb. So the value of Q will not change, even the radius is, even the distance between the Earth and the moon is what? Halved. The value of Q will not change.